Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, today is our lecture number 3 that is based on the topic the crazy computer chapter number 16. So we will learn about proverbs. Have you listened the word proverb? Okay, I'm going to tell you that proverbs are wise saying. They are popular, they are short and to the point. They give wise ideas. Whatever you want to discuss, deliver your lengthy speech or lengthy idea, you often use proverb. Or whatever you want to tell about some particular things or you want to advise someone, you use proverb, okay? Sometimes you use proverb. So here is an exercise A. It says that read and learn the proverb given below. So number 1 proverb is an early bird catches the worm. Number 2, prevention is better than cure. Number 3, honesty is the best policy. Number 4, practice makes a man perfect. Number 5, slow and steady win the race. Number 6, all is well that ends well. Number 7, look before you leap. Number 8, necessity is the mother of invention. Number 9, health is wealth. And number 10, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay, student, these are the 10 proverbs that you have to learn. Okay, now your exercise number B says that fill in the gap with the suitable words and complete the proverb listed below. What you have to do, you have to simply fill the proverbs. Okay, there are what the things are given over here. Proverbs are given over here. So, but they are not complete proverbs. You have to make them complete by putting suitable word. Okay. So it says, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Number 2, prevention is better than cure. Number 3, health is dash wealth. Number 4, honesty is the best dash policy. Number 5, an early bird dash the worm. Catch the worm. Number 6, slow and steady dash the race. Win the race. Number 7, all is well that dash well. All is well that ends well. Number 8, a dash in time save 9. Stitch in time save 9. Number 9, necessity is the dash of invention. Mother of invention. Number 10, look before you dash. You leap. Okay, student, these are the proverbs that you have to fill on your book. Now, moving to the next page, that is page number 92. What you have to do, you have to write your own creativity over here. It says, look at the picture. A bright idea has just clicked the boy. Think and write whatever idea come to your mind on the line given below. Try to use at least 2 proverbs. You have to write whatever the ideas comes in your mind and you have to use how many proverbs? At least 2. Okay, you can use much more proverb than you than 2, but at least 2 you have to use. Not less than 2, at least 2 you have to use. Okay, after writing it down, you have to send pictures to me. Okay, now moving to the next topic. Topic is time. Chapter number 17. So what is the time? Do you know it? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to read it. You have to do 2 things. You have to listen me carefully and you have to underline all the difficult words given over here. Okay, so put your finger on your first line and let's start reading. Time is one of the world's greatest puzzles. No one can say exactly what the time is. It goes on and on. Time and change go together. The seconds in a clock always keep on passing. They make a minute with 60 ticks. After reaching a minute, the second's hand does not take a break, it start afresh for another round of 60 take. Minute by minute, it reached a quarter for an hour, a day, a year, a century, and it goes on. Time never stops. There is a saying, time and tide wait for none. Such wise saying are called proverb. Just pause over here. Have you learned about the proverbs? Yes, you have recently learned about the proverb. So here's another proverb that you have to learn. Time and tide wait for none. Okay? So moving to the next. In our life, we never realize that we have a lot to do. While doing every big task, we can always find enough time to do plenty of other things. If we are waiting for a train at the station, we can read a magazine or rather chalk out our study plan for exam. Be like a clock, always keep on ticking, always keep on ticking by doing worthwhile work. Stop wasting time. Do not involve yourself in such activities that waste your time. Use time wisely. Success comes only to those who spend their time in a wise manner. Always remember, a stitch in time saves nine. So, student, here is another proverb. A stitch in time saves nine. You have to learn it also. So, moving to the next paragraph, time is a precious. It is very short. We do not know how short it is. We are uncertain of its length. We do not know how little of it remains for us, whether only a day, a week, a month, a year, or several years. Time is also very precious because it can't be brought back. It is the most valuable resource we have. If it is lost, it is lost forever. So, do not put off till tomorrow what you can do today. This is another proverb. Okay, student, you have learned three new proverbs in this chapter. What is the first one? Yes, time and tide wait for none. And the second one is a stitch in time saves nine. And the third one is do not put off till tomorrow what you can do today. Okay? So you have to learn these three proverbs also as well as the 10 proverbs that are given at page number 91. After reading and learning the chapter, what you have to do, whatever the words you have underlined during the reading, you have to write them as a dictation word. Okay? So after writing all the dictation word, whatever you have underlined, what you have to do, you have to write the meaning of the words that are given in that are in green bold color in the chapter. Okay, like the word puzzles, exactly, afresh, realize, plenty, magazine, chalk out, worthwhile, precious, uncertain, valuable. Okay, student, this task also has you have to do, and after doing it, you have to send the pictures of all your tasks to me. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.